Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayong lupalop dito sa mundo. Okay. Alam nyo ba guys? Ito guys, napansin nyo ito. Ito ang tinuro ko. Yan. Diba? Mayroon na akong in-invite na ako ni Mita guys. Maging content monetization. Diba? Ang sabi doon, 1,000,000 daw ini-invite niya. Sa loob ng 1,000,000, isa ako napili niya. Di ba? Palakpak naman. Kaya sit up na natin para hindi na bawiin ni Mita, baka bawiin pa niya, di ba? Sige, sit up na natin. Let's go. Una guys, punta tayo sa Facebook natin. Yan. Tapos pindutin natin tong ano guys, yung dashboard. Yung design ng dashboard. Yan. Tapos scroll natin pababa. Scroll pa guys para ano. Dito sa tools guys, makita niyo yung monetization, earn achievement for creating reels, invite people to connect, professional mode, set up, profile recommendation. Okay? Ang pindutin natin guys itong monetization. Di ba? Oy, may nakalagay sa. Tingnan niyo naman sa akin guys, monetization status. May policy pa ako na hindi na nasulbad guys. Pero pagdating dito sa your tools, mayroon akong star ads on reels. Kaso na restrict ako sa ads on reels guys. Tapos itong subscription, di ba? Pero guys, malaking blessing sa akin kasi ito set up na itong content monetization to earn money from Facebook for all your well performing eligible content. So ayun na guys, ibig sabihin nito yung star ads on reels and stream ads, kumbaga iniisa na lang niya guys. So ito yung tinatawag na content monetization. So hindi ko na kailangan yan kunin lang mga requirements dyan kasi in-invite na ako niya dito sa content monetization. Okay, hindi na tayo magtumpik-tumpik pa. I-sit up na natin.
Congrats! You've been invited to a new content monetization beta which lets you explore more ways to make money for your content on Facebook. And I'm here to tell you about it. The content monetization beta combines 3 existing ways to make money on Facebook into one product: in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and performance bonus. This means that by joining the beta, you can now monetize your eligible videos, Reels, photos, and text posts all in one place. And the best part? The payout approach remains the same. If you were doing well with ads on Reels, that will still work for you like it did before. The only difference is you can now earn money on more content formats. Facebook was already paying you on the performance-based payout model, which means creators earn based on the performance of their eligible content. That's not changing. You're invited to take advantage of this early access invitation to earn money on more content formats. To get started, you'll have to sign a new terms of service and set up a payout account. Don't worry, you can use the same bank and payment info that you used today. Because you can earn with more content types, you should experiment with videos, reels, photos, text posts, and see what resonates with your audience and what drives your earnings. Focus on crafting compelling content rather than optimizing for ad performance. You don't need to worry about editing for ad placements. So what do you say? Are you ready to explore earning money on different content formats? Sign up for the content monetization beta today and earn money on whatever content you love creating the most.
Ayan. Ayan guys, select your business info. Ano ba ito? Itong Gilbert Salomon rito, tas ito yung select natin kasi yan naman yung nakalagay dyan. Okay, yan guys, wala pa akong earnings kasi nag-start itong October 19, kaya wala pa akong pera. Okay. Hello guys, ganun lang kadali ipag-set up ng content monetization. Okay, kung mayroon naman kayo, kung na-invite na kayo, sundan nyo na lang yung ko. Pero madali lang po yun guys kapag isi-set up nyo na. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. More power. Bye bye.